This is a fun story called All About Me. So it's all about you. It says read and colored by and write your name. Do the best you can because every time you practice, you get better and better. You can change this person on the front to look more like you. It says 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes that shine so bright. What color are your eyes? 2 little lips to kiss goodnight. Do you give kisses to your parents? So that's all about you. Then you're going to go to the sheets that say, I like. And there's 9 squares here. Count them. So that's a thumbs up. I love to do thumbs up. Then the other sheet says, I don't like. So things you don't like is a thumbs down. And then there's some pictures, 2 sheets of pictures. One is TV, school, math, reading, chips, art, swimming, pizza, trains, dinosaurs, loud sounds, football, ice cream, sand, blue. And there's another page that has snow, rain, sun, cheese, milk, music, dogs, cats, bugs, candy, rainbow, flowers, peas, video games, and puzzles. Cut out the things that you like and glue them in the squares. If there's more things that you like, you can draw them around the edges. You can put it wherever you like. And things you do not like, so you can put them on here. If you don't fill up all the squares, that's okay, but it's all about you. Have fun, friends. Bye.